Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at snow that's gonna come around. And yeah, so let's introduce Weatherman Premium. Hey Weatherman Premium, how about you introduce yourself by chance to my subscribers? So is that it? Okay, I know, yeah, uh, alrighty. So, should we get to Windy? Mm-hmm. So, if we do look, hey, how about we both mute each other's? Probably help. So, snow here in New Jersey, PA, Washington, Delaware, Connecticut, all these, Hartford, and we're gonna be looking about some more of an estimate, because you can't trust Windy too much to your max, but you can trust it somewhat. And we're going to be looking at ECMWF and, as I say, Icon. But starting off from Virginia, we do have, somewhere around, Virginia Beach is 0, at around Roanoke, 0.1. But up higher in Virginia, we do have somewhere around an inch. Highest is 2, and that's towards more close to Washington. And the main parts that mostly got hit were PA, New Jersey, somewhat of West Virginia, Delaware. Those are the biggest areas. Connecticut, all up here, Maine. So we're gonna be looking at that. Virginia somewhere around 3, 2. If we go to West, though, we do have a max of 7 inches, 11 inches, 12, so around 2 to a foot. If you look at Ohio, we're around 6 inches max. Well, PA though, PA, we do get more snow. We get up to 10 inches, somewhere around 9, 8, 6, 5, 12, 13. And once we start getting closer to New Jersey, it drops down. But up here we have around 14 inches. In New Jersey, up to 15 towards New York. And that kind of drops down. When we go to New York, we do have up to 20 inches, guys. And it's pretty much around 10 everywhere in New York, which is quite the, I would say, depth for New York, because it also probably looks nice in New York right now, especially city. Connecticut, around 8, 6 to 10 inches. Massachusetts, around 10 inches, 8. New Hampshire, around 10, 12, 15, 8. That's, what is it called? Canada. Up here is And Maine, damn, it's pretty average for them to have quite a bit of snow here. It's pretty average, around 1, 6, 7. But then up here, which New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, they have quite a bit more, up to 21, 32. Can't imagine how cold it is down there. But if we do look, Washington, that is a lot of snow. Okay, 56 inches. I wouldn't trust it too much. We can go on Icon. That is even less trusted, in my opinion. Maybe some of you guys are watching from Washington, and maybe in fact it is from around 50, 40 inches. You know, it's quite Montana, Wyoming, you guys aren't too high on snow. It's around, I'm mostly seeing like up to a foot of snow. And it's really how it is so far. Nebraska, 3, it's pretty staying consistent around 3 to a foot, an inch to a foot, which is what it's staying at right now. But if we do look at new snow, which there isn't much for the next 3 days, let's do get into. No, I did not want that. I wanted to put it in full screen. If we do look, there's quite a bit of new snow that might come, like PA, but New York up north. It's more hitting like some of California, Nebraska, Kansas, Wyoming, Oregon, Idaho are mostly getting hit by it, same as Washington. Once you get down to like Omaha, Iowa, it's only an inch, and then Wisconsin, Michigan, around 6. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I can look at snow depth. Damn, that's a lot of snow. But yeah, if we do look, America's not getting too much snow, but not the least, Can look at fog. There's not much. Could look at some wind that's coming in. Wind? Okay, I don't know, it's kind of glitching right now. Is fog on? No. Don't know why wind is not turning on. There we go, I just have to zoom out. But, yeah, it's quite a bit windy, and if we do have it turned on with new snow, yeah, we can't really see that, but, so pay attention around down here. Just pretty much around the whole United States. Turn on wind. It's more just mashing up all over the place. I feel like this is the main part where the wind is coming from. Up here. That's more towards Japan and those areas. It's some of America, so if we keep an eye down here, we go to wind. If you do look, it's more blowing this way and it's making a circle and a loop. Some of it, we do look, it's coming down towards America. That's kind of swirling back up. But then some of it gets down here and it keeps just going around its way and it meets up down here towards Wyoming. Then the wind in America is just kind of going where it wants. So that's more so of it. But we are paying attention so far to snow mostly. Even though we've gone over that, but we are paying attention towards snow because that is more of what in winter we're gonna do, because winter, snow, pretty lit. If we look for the next 5 days, there is quite a bit of growth in it, but not by much. But if you're wondering for the next 12 hours, and you're in the United States, almost said UK there, not much snow at all. But if we go to ECWMF, MWF, It's also saying the same thing as icon, GFS, they're almost the same thing. Yeah, they're all almost saying the same thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it, but, also guys, I did have to say, thank you to, look, 26 views? Guys, come on, bro, that's so much. Please don't, go subscribe, God. Go subscribe to Weatherman Premium. That is our main account. And somehow I have more subscribers than him. Go subscribe to him. Look, so nice videos. 12, 10, 5. Learn about some tornadoes and hailstorms if you don't know. A double whammy snowstorm for the Northeast. And a huge Arctic blast, which is some record lows. I don't know if that's still here or not. Do the next 10 days. I think it's more gone away now. I think it's more gonna travel down here, or if not, it's gonna come down here and travel up here. Go up here, travel through here, and while it's going, it's gonna be melting. Just to see how much does Iceland have. That is so not true. But I think it's just gonna come up here, and it's gonna keep slowly melting while it's coming. And then it's pretty much, I think it's gonna disappear around this area, or it's just gonna keep traveling. But I think it's gonna be somewhere around here. So, I think I'm just gonna end this off here. And, there's not much to see. Next video, we might do a different place, but we are most focused on US because, well, it's not like most of the population of the world, if I'm not thinking wrong. Maybe wrong, but you know, we're most gonna be paying attention about US. So, make sure to go subscribe to Weatherman Premium. I don't care if you don't subscribe to me. More subscribe to Weatherman Premium. So, you say we end off the video here? I'm gonna see you guys on the next one for actually a live stream. Yeah, go subscribe to Weatherman Premium. Also extras if you want. It's not needed, but more so Weatherman Premium. So we're going to see you guys on the next video, which is gonna be probably a live stream. So see you guys on the next one. Peace.